forecast, and we're going to start out in Atlantic Canada, who has, let's say, a little bit of the better conditions through the day today. Now, we are still looking at some sea effect snowfall that will be impacting Cape Breton Island, the western regions of Newfoundland, even into the Burin. But down towards majority of the Maritimes, you're looking at sunny conditions. And I'll tell you why that is in just a second. In terms of the snowfall, it will mainly be 5 to 10 centimeters towards the western portions of Newfoundland with all of the sea effect snowfall. Now, when we are talking about why we're seeing such beautiful high pressure over areas across the Maritimes, Ontario and Quebec, well, we have a high pressure system to thank for that. Now, take a look at this. These are some of the previous pressure records for the month of December that were set across both of the provinces. Now, the high pressure system through Saturday, that's forecasted to completely shatter all of those records. But on the back ends of that, that's when we're going to start to see another system move in. So sunny skies for areas across Quebec as well heading into Sunday. However, we are going to be watching this one system that's going to be bringing moisture across areas of southern Ontario heading into Wednesday. It's also going to lead to some freezing rain. So taking a bit of a closer look at this, widespread showers for areas like Hamilton down towards Windsor. However, the central portions of southern Ontario, so Mount Forest, Fergus, you can be looking at some freezing rain right around the noon period, leading to some slick roads and mainly some rain and snow mix beyond that point. As we head over into the prairies, however, this is the next messy system that will be impacting the region as we head into our day on Sunday. This low pressure system tracking up from the states is going to bring a rain-snow mix and freezing rain for the southeast portions of Saskatchewan. Now, that's going to be through the later part of the morning into the early afternoon. Beyond that point, it does transition over into snow, and we're looking at widespread snow for areas in Manitoba and then into areas of northwestern Ontario. Pulling in a lot of that moisture for areas like Thunder Bay, you will be looking at some light showers, possibly a rain-snow mix, but not much in terms of accumulation. This is what we can be expecting when it comes to some of those freezing rain accumulation, so affecting the Yellowhead Highway as well as the Trans-Canada Highway, leading to mainly slick roads. There should not be any damage when it comes to any of the tree branches because the accumulation is not expected to be as high. And in terms of the snowfall, widespread 5 to 10 centimeters expected. So it's going to be great if we continue this track to see a white Christmas. Now, as we take a look over into areas across British Columbia, it's going to be a low pressure system bringing widespread showers through the day for the lower mainland. It has already resulted in gusty conditions upwards of 100 kilometers an hour, and with it as well, many folks across Vancouver Island and in through the lower mainland looking at power outages. This will continue to bring gusty conditions through the day on Saturday, so be mindful if you are taking the ferry, but this is how much rainfall we can be expecting across areas of Vancouver Island and across the Sunshine Coastline. Taking a closer look into the lower mainland, 30 to 50 for Vancouver.